Welcome to our video on how to become more likable. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you build stronger relationships and make a lasting impression on others. Whether you're looking to improve your social skills, make new friends, or advance in your career, being likable is an important asset. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Be a good listener. One of the best ways to become more likable is to be a good listener. When someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention and show that you're interested in what they have to say. Ask thoughtful questions and make sure you understand their perspective. By being a good listener, you demonstrate that you value the other person and their ideas. Tip 2. Practice empathy and understanding. Another key aspect of being likable is the ability to empathize with others. This means being able to understand and share the feelings of others. When interacting with someone, try to put yourself in their shoes and understand their point of view. Showing empathy and understanding can help build trust and create a deeper connection with others. Tip 3. Make an effort to connect. Making an effort to connect with others is another important step in becoming more likable. This means taking the initiative to start conversations, making plans with friends, or reaching out to people you admire. Building connections takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Tip 4. Be yourself. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is key in building strong and genuine relationships. People are attracted to those who are genuine and true to themselves. So, don't be afraid to let your personality shine and be yourself. In conclusion, becoming more likable is an important aspect of personal and professional development. By being a good listener, practicing empathy and understanding, making an effort to connect and being yourself, you can build stronger relationships and make a lasting impression on others. Remember, building connections takes time and effort, but it is worth it in the long run. You can start by implementing these tips in your daily interactions, be it with colleagues, friends, or family. Practice active listening, show interest in others, and try to understand their perspective. Take the initiative to start conversations, make plans, and try to build a deeper connection with others. It's also important to remember that becoming more likable is not about changing who you are, but about highlighting your best qualities and being true to yourself. People are attracted to authenticity, and by being genuine and true to yourself, you will attract the right kind of people into your life. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling inspired to start building stronger relationships today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.